Hey, today I want to talk about this new canvas that I found from Michaels. It's just made for paint pouring. This is kind of amazing because, most of us that pour on our canvases, they kind of dip in the middle, they get so heavy. But look, this has like a triple technique. So, and it's kind of hard on the top. You turn it over, it's kind of hard on the back. So, pretty excited about this. I ordered this in all different sizes. And like I said, it's Artist Loft. So in my next video, I'll be trying this out. But tonight, I'm going to be Vase Pour. So that's what we're going to be doing tonight. So here I have a vase. I just kind of minimally spray painted it with white base coat. And then here I have all the paints I'm going to be using tonight. They're all Artist Loft, or excuse me, they're all Montmartre. So we have Montmartre Yellow Ochre, Montmartre Cerulean Blue, Brilliant Red, Black, and Titanium White. So for this one, of course, I use the red and the blue to create the purple. And this one, for the black, I did add some white to make it a little bit gray. So here we go.
Susie was a sweetie. She really was. She was a fun kid. My daughter and her were just 6 weeks apart, and they were very close. It's graduation day, and Stacy and Susie are beaming because they're about to get their diplomas. Their families are out to see Susie and Stacy across the stage. Stacy, Kathleen, McCall.
Susie's mum Sharon is also on the sidelines. She's very proud of her only daughter.
Susie was excited about moving on and graduating and what the future holds. She wanted to go to cosmetology school. She talked about going.
Looks like my paints are very, very, very thick.
She talked about that a lot.
Yikes.
After graduation,
We'll see how it works.
and I picked up this small cake and took it to her house. It was shaped like a dragon. Susie had a thing for dragons. It was actually a dinosaur. It was the closest that I could get.
As the evening wears on, graduation after parties are heating up around town.
Susie and Stacy were planning on going to an after
All
party.
right, here we go. Knock that off. What we want to do is start in the middle and push out from around the middle. So that way it goes all the way around the outside. Okay?
Whitewater was the hot spot for summer. So Susie was going to call me first thing the next morning, and we were going to Branson.
Just push it out, push it out, push it out. See where it's not going down yet? And then just make that flow go.
So I said, all right, that's fine.
But they arrived to find his full house.
There were too much family at Janelle's house. So Stacy and Susie
Let's wait till it drips down.
Susie's house. About 2 a.m., they left Janelle's house. They promised Janelle that they would
See how the balance is going? Not so much over here. So either we can try to tip the vase this way or just pick up off the bottom and hit and let it float out.
Janelle called Susie's house. Got no answer.
Which is what I'm doing now.
Janelle keeps waiting for
like to scrape around the bottom once it rolls down.
And as they walk up the steps, they realize there's glass on the ground and that the glass around the globe light over the door has been shattered.
I split up the glass for Janelle because she
Looks pretty good. I'll give you guys a shot when it dries.
shook it out.
Obviously it's gonna roll down a little bit more, and that's fine. Just keep scraping off the bottom.
The front door was unlocked when they went inside.
Inside the house,
Liking those colors.
there's no mess in the kitchen or in the living room. So Janelle,
Yeah.
this